I'll show you how you can lock cells in Excel. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. Once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Here is an example spreadsheet I made for a toy shop, and in this case their main stock are trains, cars and sort of bouncy balls. So in this case, what I want to do is go and lock the items and then the month. So the first thing we need to do is go and select the cells which we want to go and lock. So in this case, I want to go and select these 3 cells here and then these 5 cells here. So firstly, what I'm going to do is hold and drag my left mouse over here so these are selected. And then I'm going to go and hold control like this, and it then means I can go and select these this other column here. So I'm then going to go and drag down just like so. So I've now gone and selected the cells which I want to go and lock, and I don't want people to go and change. So now what you need to do is go and right click on them like this, and then go down and click on Format Cells. Once you've clicked on that, then what you need to do is go over to the right where it says Protection, and what you want to do is make sure Locked is clicked like this. And then what you want to do is go and tap on OK like this. Once you've gone and unlock the cells that you'd like to, you now need to make sure you go and unlock the cells you want to be able to go and edit and other people to go and edit. So in this case, it's these ones here. So what we're going to do is hold your left mouse button and go and select them like this. And once you've done that, then right click on them like this and go and tap on Format Cells. And then what you need to do is go over to the right and go to Protection and make sure you unclick Locked like this and then go and tap OK like that. Now that you've done this, you now need to go to the top of Excel and go and tap on Review. And then you want to go and tap on Protect Sheet like this. Now what you should do is go and enter a password, because otherwise people can go and unprotect the sheet. In this case, I'm not going to because it's just an example, but yeah, I recommend entering one. Then go and tap OK. And then if I try and edit one of these, so for example, January, I'll click and it will then say the cell or chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet. However, if I go and type in here, I can then type numbers and letters in. So I can go and start entering stock. So I can say we've got 10 trains in February and we sold 5 in February. So then I have 5 left. And that's it, guys. And if I try and edit up here, I can't as well.